It's time to take a look at an RDWC system currently under construction. Let's jump right in. This is a clone of the 15-gallon compact waterfall RDWC hydroponic system we built before, with some special differences. This system is built entirely from spare parts. Well, almost. We're using new tees that are a bit smaller than the double Ys we had on the 40-gallon systems. We're also using a new 1-inch threaded bulkhead to hook up our pump. But all the other bulkheads, pipes, buckets, valves, and the pump are from the old 40-gallon RDWC systems. But because we're reusing the buckets from the old system, the holes may not be exactly where we want them. Let's take a look at the problem. As you can see, our supply lines came into the wrong side of these buckets. We'll need a couple of elbows and a bit more space between our buckets and reservoir to fix this problem. First, we're going to use two 90-degree elbows to connect our buckets to a T. Next, we're going to use another 90-degree elbow to connect that T to a bulkhead in our reservoir. This is going to lower our holes in the top of the reservoir. But we already know we have quite a bit of extra space in there, so it shouldn't be an issue. It will, however, make drilling our holes much easier now that we aren't fighting with the lip on the reservoir bucket. This will also lower our valve assembly, but we have extra clearance between it and the pump as well. And with those changes, we can fully reuse the parts from our old system to create this new system. How do you grow your plants? Would you consider building your own RDWC system? What would stop you from building an RDWC system of your own? Let us know down in the comments. This system has unfortunately come together slowly due to lack of free time to work on it. But it shouldn't be long now before it's up and running with its first crop. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, hit that like button and subscribe for future content. And I'll see you next time here on Show Me Hydro. Do you want to see what I'm growing? Join us over on Twitch at twitch.tv/showmehydro. You'll be able to see what's happening in the grow tents 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You can even control the view yourself with chat commands. The live stream can also be viewed on the new Show Me Hydro Live YouTube channel, as well as Kick and Rumble if you prefer those platforms. So join us live from the grow tent. I hope to see you there. Have you got a question you would like answered? Is there a topic you would like to see discussed in a video? Let me know in the comments and I'll see what I can do. Would you like to support the channel? Head on over to patreon.com/showmehydro to get all the garden updates, early video previews, harvest watch photos, and behind the scenes content you won't find anywhere else. If you enjoyed this video, remember to click that like button and subscribe.